Hello, Jacksons. Welcome back to the channel. It's your one and only Lady Jackson, bringing you this update on the Big Brother Naija Season 8 All-Star Season 2023 edition as a day hot. Now, of course, in this video, you would see the fact that Angel is creating the highest number of enemies in Big Brother's house. Neil has vowed that he's done with Ilebaye's case and that he wished he had listened to Tolini Bad, and then we see also that Angel might get into trouble, and we are saying that Soma is rather defending her, trying to quench the fires that she has ignited in different camps. Now, this and probably more I'm going to let you in on in this video. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you watch this video till the end. Subscribe, click on the bell button beside for notification, and every post I make, don't forget to share your comments down below and also share this video so that more people can get to see it. Thank you. Now, of course, before we start the video, you need to know that I do not, if you're new or returning subscriber or viewer, I do not attach Big Brother Naija content to my videos because I've had a copyright strike before. Now, please, if you don't like the way I make my content, you could go to other channels. I believe they do so, and it's all love and light. It's all an ecosystem of entertainment, right? Now, somebody commented that I was sounding rude when I said something like this, and I'm like, I understand that it's just a perception or the way she was raised, because I don't see how rude it was. But of course, let's just move right into it. So earlier today, after all the chaotic crazies that happened last night, hey God, yesterday was intense. Like, these all-stars, either intentionally or unintentionally, the spirit has vowed that it's going to be back-to-back content, sleepless nights for us content creators and us viewers from home, because it was crazy. And we saw that in the mixture or the mix of all that happened yesterday, Angel found herself instigating or fanning the fire, which she was not supposed to do. Here was Kim Opera this morning talking to Ike and his now bestie and best buddy Ceec, and Kim Opera was talking about how Angel has pissed her off and how she's disappointed in Angel, and she has vowed that at this moment she's done talking to Angel or being in the same space of good communication or love and light with Angel. What was the reason, or what did Angel do? According to her, now this she was telling Ike and Ceec, she said that during a task yesterday, now this was, I think it was the Super Commando task and then the HFM task, that Angel allegedly, in the rudest manner possible, corrected her English or corrected the way she pronounced a word. Now, and she found it very rather tacky and not cool and rather stupid or rude, because how would you correct somebody's own way of pronouncing something? Are we in English class or something? And then, she did it in a way that was rather, it wasn't like, when you're correcting a friend in a nice way, but it was rather rude. And, Kim Opera said now she knows why people are against Angel. It seems like Angel goes everywhere to just plant seeds of hatred toward herself with people, because she had been asking, why would people want to nominate Angel? That's the nomination that is most shocking to her. Then Ceec interjected, saying, that's exactly what she did. She'll be talking to me, insulting me, feeling like she is above me. I'm like, that little girl that, even though because we have a mutual friend, Ife, would she have space to talk to me? She would see me outside. That was why she said, she had seen me outside and I didn't talk to her. I didn't even tell her that she was pretty. She wants to be in the same space as me, but she can never. She'll even try coming to apologize, but I will not let her have that luxury. Of course, Ike interjected, saying that, yes, Angel will come and apologize to Kim Opera. Kim Opera vowed that she is not going to be in the same space. She would not let her apologize to her. At this point, she knows the kind of person she is, and she's done entertaining such vibes. And then all of a sudden, Big Brother had been playing music almost throughout the day. After all, it's the day of their wager task, and it is the day that they show that they deserve to win another week of luxury feeding and, enjoying the good life in Biggie's house. And then I noticed that, Soma went to go and meet Seyi to hug him and calm him down, telling him that he should not take it too serious. He was sorry that these things Seyi is bigger than it, he should overlook it. Like, somebody just kept apologizing, and I didn't know exactly what he was apologizing for. And I'm like, okay, talk now. Seyi, talk. You're not somebody who keeps mute. You usually say something. That I noticed that he was not with his mic. So when you're not with your mic, you're not permitted to talk. If you talk, that's mic infringement, and it depends on the number of mic infringements warnings you get. It could get you a strike or a major punishment. So so Madina kept jeering him that he should say something. It turns out it was about Angel. Angel had been rude to Seyi earlier today, that she had to say either was he shut the F up or abeg comot or something like that, and it was over something that was not supposed to be that serious. Now I'm suspecting maybe it might be about yesterday issue with Whitemoney and Ilebaye, or something that happened this morning that many of us did not get to see. I don't know if any of you saw that, but if you saw it, you can share comments down below. And that was what happened. Now they continued at that. He continued talking to Seyi and saying, why are you not talking, why are you not saying anything, why you just didn't nod your head? Seyi just kept nodding to the fact that he understands, okay, he's hearing Somadina, no problem. Not until Seyi had to grab Somadina's mic and was talking that this is his maturity. That's why he's not saying anything. That's why he didn't react. That was why he had to leave when Somadina told him to leave that scenario that had Angel in it. Seyi just continued saying that in his family or amongst his relatives and family, he's the youngest. Now imagine how old every other person is, yet he has respect for people. But this girl does not have respect. Anyways, the way Seyi was nodding his head and looking at Somadina, it was giving vibes of as though you cannot control your girl and stuff. And I'm like, okay, was he supposed to control his girl? And then again, the camera moved from there when Seyi and Somadina were done, and boom, it was with Neil, Somadina, and Whitemoney. What was the issue? Again, once more, Angel. Angel was the issue. And I'm like, how many times did this girl have issues with people? Now, Whitemoney was lamenting bitterly. Whitemoney was talking about how Angel will come and be saying very tacky things about the production he's doing. Now, this was even before the Whitemoney Ilebaye exchange happened. Now, according to Whitemoney, Angel had been saying it will come and meet him and be like, people should play that highlight song. It's only highlight song you know how to do. And it pisses him off. It is an insult to his creativity. And although he had told her that it is not high life, this girl kept coming like in an insultive way, saying that his song was high life. He noticed her complaining to people yesterday that what's that nonsense they are doing safe, and Messieke was there, that's high life, let them just do, they don't even know anything aside high life, referring to Whitemoney. Whitemoney indicated that he had to tell Messieke to leave that place because he was already getting pissed. While Messieke left and went to sleep. And then this morning again, Angel came to him. I was like, you should don't play that this thing. You're even hiding the lyrics. Play that high life song. And he's like, why would she be intentionally provocative towards him? That was the same thing she was doing, instigating a fight between him and Ilebaye when they were having their exchange. Instead of her to calm the both of them or keep quiet, she kept saying that Whitemoney is doing this, Whitemoney is doing that. She went to hide the music just to be insultive. She went to tamper with the production system. What if she mistakenly or unintentionally deleted it? Where would they start from? And stuff like that. And then that was when they moved on to talk about Ilebaye, that what Ilebaye did yesterday. Whitemoney said after all, he had told her a week or two before that he's done. On the fourth week, yes, that's like a week or two, that he was done, always defending her. If people are talking against her or plotting against her, he would make sure that they stop it. But now it's a game. She should play her game. He will play his game. That yesterday stuff that she did was rather very annoying. She noticed how everybody was coming out and then she started crying just to be manipulative, coming with the emotional blackmail game. And it seems like it's going to work for her because Nigerians are gullible to stuffs like that. But now he's done. Neil interjected saying that he was really disappointed that he was there when it happened. He noticed how when people came out, that was when she knew she was going to cry. She understood where Whitemoney was coming from, but she needed to make him feel like a bad person. And, he's rather disappointed. He feels insulted, he feels played, that this was the same thing Tolani Bad was warning him about, that this is how he was embarrassing her, not knowing that this girl, Ilebaye, was playing a game, emotional blackmail on everybody. But now he has learned his lesson. He's vowing to move away from her and to be done with her. I'm like, this is crazy. This is crazy. I just like one thing when, Soma also had to speak, that the most he could do, he has been doing, is to tell Angel, shut up whenever she's saying things that are being tacky towards people. But he's not going to control her. He's not going to fight her. After all, that's not his job. And I really respect a man like that. A man is not supposed to control his woman. You could put her in place. You could put her to check, but not control her. If you're being controlling, then what are you enjoying from that relationship or that marriage? It's like you're just buying a puppet or bringing a puppet and controlling them. I really respect that. Otherwise, Angel is really causing a lot of fires, and all the job that Somadina is doing right now is to quench the fires. I hope it doesn't burn her, because it seems like that's where it's getting to. Now, of course, guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to share comment below and also share this video. I'm going to see you on the next one. Of course, if I drag your faves, yes or no, it is all light, love and light from here. So let's just vibe.